Alright, ladies and gents, this is all the ingredients you're going to need to make this amazing dish. We have adobo, sazon, garlic powder, onion, black pepper, paprika, smoked paprika. We have Cajun spice. We have our veggies, red pepper, green pepper. We have onions. We have our meats. We have some bacon. We have some, what is this, babe?
Dominican salami,
oh,
aka
yeah.
sausage, longaniza. It's about to go down, Isa.
All that? You extra today. We have some garlic, and you can't make cabbage without your cabbage, and that's all you're gonna need, guys.
Guys, this recipe is going to be a banger. The best Southern fried cabbage with a Latin twist.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be spicy.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up our cabbage. To cut your cabbage, guys, you want to cut out this centerpiece, the stalk, whatever you call it. But guess what? We're not using all of this, so we don't have to. So I only cut a face off. So I'm gonna take this half right here, and I'm gonna chop this up into little fine pieces.
Alright, so we cooked our bacon. It's almost nice and crisp. Y'all see that? We're going to take our Dominican salami and we're going to throw that bad boy right in here. Look at that. It smells good. You watching, Chef Trini?
I'm watching.
Alright.
I'm definitely
Make
watching.
sure y'all chop up everything like we did.
Yeah,
alright,
buddy. So yeah, we cooked that bacon. And halfway through, we're going to add this Dominican salami.
Yeah, and the purpose is because the salami is already cooked, guys. So you don't want to throw it in together early on because then it's going to burn.
That's true. Guys, if you don't eat meat, you can skip this step. You know? You don't have to put meat in your cabbage.
That's right. That's right.
This is a Southern cabbage, so you need that bacon with a Dominican twist, so we put in that Latin sausage.
And then
Chef Sam likes sausage. She knows about sausage. Tell her a little about sausage.
It's so delicious.
You like sausage, right?
Yep, it's so good. My favorite.
Yes, it is.
Nice and thick and everything.
That's right.
Yep. All right, so after this fries up, we're gonna take it out, set it aside, and we're gonna keep the grease.
All right, guys. So we cooked our bacon. We cooked our salami, Dominican salami. Now it's time to cook your vegetables. So like Chef Sam said, we took the meat out and we're using the same fat, the grease that the bacon was made in. And we're gonna add our onions. Ooh, you hear that? That oil hot. Can you see the onions?
A little bit.
Show them the onions. Ooh, that smells good. So
when onions cook in bacon fat, it has a different aroma. It smells amazing.
Thank you, Chef Sam.
My pleasure.
So we're gonna cook this onions for a few. We got our garlic ready to go in. Man, it smells amazing in this kitchen. Guys, make this recipe. This is the Beth.
Listen, come here. Shut your stupid ass up.
I'm sorry.
Really?
Best Southern fried cabbage recipe with a Latin twist. So now what I did there was add in the garlic. I smell the aroma already. Oh God. I wish you guys could smell it. Everything's cooking real good. And it's cooking quick because the stove is medium. I got the stove at a medium heat. I'm going to put our red peppers that Chef Sam chopped up. Wait, no, I chopped this up.
I was going to say.
Look at my finger. I chopped this up. I lost a finger chopping this up.
Really, nigga?
We're going to put our green peppers.
Tell them how many times you cut that one finger. Exactly. You're so special. And now tell them who had to bandage it up because you was in the kitchen crying.
Oh, no, she didn't. Oh!
All right, carry on before you burn the food.
So we got our onions, we got our fresh garlic, we got our fresh red and green peppers in the pot, cooking in that bacon fat.
All right, let me take a look because it looks colorful.
Good. Come in. So ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna cook this.
Wow, that looks really
We're gonna cook this till it gets a little tender. Not too tender, a little tender. Once this is good, then we're gonna add our, take a guess. Comment below.
Can I take a guess?
Go ahead. Our cabbage.
Oh my God! Wow!
That's right, guys. So once this is done, I'm gonna show you when we add the cabbage. Let's go.
All right, ladies and gents, we are going to now add our cabbage. You see how all these peppers and onions and all that stuff is sauteed? It looks so good. It smells amazing. All right, our cabbage is cut up nice. Chef Trini did an amazing job. I
Thanks.
taught him well.
Don't cost me your finger.
Twice. Woo. Never mind. All right, so we have our seasonings that we told you about before. For the garlic, the onion, and the Cajun
Take your time, please.
seasoning, we're going to put a tablespoon.
You're over here rushing it.
No, I'm not. Don't tell me what to do.
Okay.
I know how to cook.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
I know.
Y'all can take them.
Please take me.
Y'all can take
Take
them.
me
Onion
away.
powder, a tablespoon. Take them, please. Y'all can-
Guys, and you're gonna cook this cabbage till it gets nice and tender.
Oh my God, yes. And mix it all around. Give it some love. When
I don't
you
know about
mix it,
stop.
Mix
I
it
don't know.
up. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know about all that. Please
Do that.
Please cook.
Put some waste in it. Like,
Please cook. Oh God. Please cook. Please cook.
I am cooking.
No, but you're doing a little more than cooking.
Don't worry about me. Just hold the camera.
I'm gonna hit pause.
Just hold the camera. Thank you. A tablespoon of this as well.
What is that?
Cajun spice.
Okay.
Pay attention. You over here mad.
You didn't tell us.
I dare.
Right.
And all the rest of the ingredients, a teaspoon.
What's the rest of the ingredients?
Hold on. Watch yourself, okay?
I'm fine.
We're putting a teaspoon because they're a little bit
Of what?
salty. So we're going. Chef Trini, shut your mouth.
Look.
Okay.
God.
We're gonna put a teaspoon of smoked paprika first.
Thank you.
Hold your horses. Like, have some patience.
She over here. Oh, the rest of the ingredients we're putting on this.
I know what I'm doing.
The rest of the ingredients we put. Yeah, the driving shit. You
Shoot.
sure do.
A teaspoon of black pepper. Y'all better come get your boy. Y'all better.
Please get me.
Please, yes.
Take me with you. Oh God.
Let me live.
So
A teaspoon of sazon.
I'm dropping
Oh.
this camera. I'm about to. Seriously, I'm just gonna hit pause. I'm gonna just quit.
Quit.
I freaking quit.
Quick,
I
please.
freaking quit.
Please.
I can't do this.
Bye.
I
Somebody else will want them more for me.
I can't take this. I can't take
They
it.
want all my spice, my salsa.
I think your spice and salsa stale.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
That's crazy. That is insane.
I think it expired.
That's insane. That's disrespectful.
2,000 years later.
So let me just repeat this real quick. So she put a tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, and Cajun spice. She put a teaspoon of smoked paprika, black pepper, sazon, and for that Latin twist, some adobo. So you guys got it. So she's gonna cover this lid right now so it can get nice and tender, and then you guys gonna see what we do.
Next, thanks.
Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, our cabbage is nice and tender. So it's time to add our bacon and our Dominican salami, sausage, whatever you want to call it. Guys, make this Southern cabbage recipe with a Latin twist. So we added our meats. Guys, you don't have to add the meats. You can follow the recipe to a T and omit the meat if you don't eat meat. But look at this. Look at this. And guys,
Mouth watering.
oh, it looks good. And to finish it off, pay attention. You're gonna take this a lime. If you don't have lime, you can take a teaspoon of vinegar and just put a little bit in your cabbage. And that's it. I'm gonna mix this around, turn off the stove, and we gonna eat.
Oh yeah, it's about to go. Damn.
Guys, taste your cabbage. If you need a little bit of salt, add a little bit of salt. And that's it. We hope you like this recipe. We hope you make this banging Southern fried cabbage with a what?
Twist. Latin
Man, you
twist.
freaking fried. You freaking fried, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we are out.